Hello mga ka-Chisflix! Atin muling pag-usapan si Yana Motovlog na nag-viral dahil sa masamang ugali nito kahit siya ang may kamalian. Kamakailan lang ay tila tahimik siya at post ng post na nasa ibang bansa siya. At neto lang ay nag-post na siya at nagsalita na sa mga issue at kinakalagyan niya. I know I've been quiet lately, not because I don't have anything to say, but maybe I just needed to sit with what this season is teaching me. I've made mistakes, I've been reactive, and I've learned the hard way that strength without restraint can cost you more than you think. This isn't a redemption arc. I'm not here to perform remorse. I'm here to do better. Slowly, consistently, quietly. If you've ever felt disappointed, hurt, or disrespected by how I handled things, I hear you and I take full responsibility. This chapter is less about proving who I am and more about becoming someone I'd be proud of, even off camera. I acknowledge that my actions fell short of the standard I hold myself to, and the standard many of you, especially the brands I partner with, expected from me. I'm not here to defend. I'm here to grow. To my followers who continue to stand beside me, thank you. To the people I love, my family, friends, followers of those who still see me past the noise, thank you for your grounding presence. Your faith in me never asked for perfection, just honesty. I don't take that for granted. To those I've disappointed, I understand the weight of representation, and I take full accountability. This isn't a redemption arc. This chapter isn't about proving who I am. It's about becoming some I'd be proud of even when no one's watching. Blessed day to all. Yana. Ano sa tingin niyo mga ka-Chisflix? Patawadin na ba natin si Yana? Diyos nga nagpapatawad, di ba? Kaso di tayo Diyos. Subscribe para sa mga susunod na ulat at chismis. Chisflix sana!